for sunshine in the middle of rain. The doctors were busy, the world was afraid. We needed a miracle that man hasn't made. And the spirit whispered Neshamah from the past to a garden of life that was built to last. And I saw it spinning on the edge of the cliff, a pinwheel of color, a holy gift. Red like the blood, blue like the sky, green for the life, yellow for the gold, catching the breath of the Lord passing by, spinning and turning, clearing the air. The wind of the Spirit is answering prayer. We need a ventilator for the soul to make the inner being whole. The heart grows cold when the wind doesn't blow. But there's a river where the healing flows. The ice is breaking, the winter is done. To the heart of man, restore the design, restore the plan. I saw it spinning on the edge of the cliff, a pinwheel of color, a holy gift. Red like the blood, blue like the sky, green for the life, yellow for the gold, catching the breath of the Lord passing by, spinning and turning, clearing the air. The wind of the Spirit is answering prayer. To the child, to the light. Beneath the sequoia